Man, that was cold. So cold. Yay! Yeah. Boat day with Daddy. You're 5 years old, you're allowed now. You got your Mick Dundee hat. You got your drink. You got your packed lunch. And we've got the shark on a lead. So.
Yeah, so he doesn't go in the water.
Thanks. Alright.
Fish popped out. I just saw the head.
Did you?
Yeah. It looked at me.
See, you're not getting wet. You love it? Is that good?
Yeah, I liked
Good. Yeah. Woo. What are we going to catch?
Fish or pet.
You going to get it? Yay!
Yeah.
You got it!
I get it!
You caught a fish.
Guys.
It's a dead cuttlefish.
Yes.
That's a fish on the deck there. Legit. Must keep Felix's lunchbox dry. You're on the beach. That's it. Hey, look at this. We've got a bit of driftwood. It's stuff from a pirate ship. We've got a level gas barbecue now. Okay, that'll do. You can take one piece of wood, the small one if you want. Can't take all the wood. We'll take our rubbish though. So barbecue's been cut short a little bit. Sea mist has come right in, so we're not going to be able to see where we're going in a minute. So this spot here is known for conger eels and stingrays. I think a summer shorty. Oh, that was cold. So cold. This is always so eerie doing this.